again with another video. I'm JusTika, and in today's video I want to come and do another wig review just for you. In case you have been interested in this wig, I want to come and show you this wig. So in today's video I want to come and show you guys off this wig, give you guys my thoughts, my opinions, what you're gonna expect. I'm gonna pretty much show you guys some little bit of styling as well. So if you are into all that kind of stuff, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Here's a style that I will be showing off today. This is Bobbi Boss MLF430 Faith Girl, and I got this in the color TT1B J Burgundy. I'm not sure what the J stand for, but if you do know what the J stand for, leave that in the comment section below. So if you know the answer to the J part, leave that in the comment section below. So what we got going on here, this is a crimp style. So I have not really reviewed too much crimp styles. I'm not even sure if I reviewed any type of crimp styles, but yeah, so this would pretty much be my first or my second time trying out some crimp styles. Here is what the inside of the cap is looking like. It comes with your 3 standard wig clips and as well as your standard wig strap. So that's always a good thing to make sure your wig is very secured. So one thing about this unit, y'all, it come with that baby hair. So if you do love your baby hair, you can customize your baby hair to your liking. And one thing that I've noticed about this, y'all, is that the baby hair already come pre-curled for you, and that's a good thing because with the new trending style, a lot of the girls are curling their baby hair. So you don't even have to curl your baby hair, because I've heard that if you curl the baby hair, that it'll give it more of a dramatic look. So if that's the type of look that you're going for, girl, this hair already got the baby hair for you. Now if you want this wig and you need to style it multiple ways, this is only a lace front, so it doesn't come with a frontal. So keep that in mind, that if you do want to buy this wig, that it is a lace front, it's not a lace frontal. The color is really gorgeous. As you can see, it has a really pretty color to it. It has a lot of different like tones of reds and definitely like some tones of some burgundy, but this right here is a really pretty color. It got a lot of movement on this wig, and that's what I love about it. So far the lace is coming off pre-tinted, so you are not gonna have to pre-tint your lace at all. I might have to be extra and pre-tint my lace anyway. This is a very pretty wig. I love the movement. Need some movement in these wigs. We don't need these stiff wigs. We're gonna have some movement, girl, in these wigs, in these wig streaks. And this is what the other side of the wig look like. So it look really pretty. Come in many different colors that you can choose from, and here are the available colors right here on the bottom. Go ahead and try Miss Faith on and see what we are working with here. I don't know. I don't really know about this. Right off the bat, this hair is not big head friendly, so I'm gonna go ahead and be frankly honest with y'all. But so far this wig is barely fitting on my head at the moment, so I am like legit gonna have to work with this hair. So my hair is like literally like right here. So my hair literally is like right here. This is where my hair is, and then look, y'all, I can't really pull this wig down, like, because this wig is really small head friendly. So, and it's crazy because like I have a small little peanut head, so I'm gonna have to finesse this thing. I don't know, Lord child, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to work with this because I don't know about this, y'all. I don't know, just don't really like crimp styles like that. Like, I don't look good with crimp hair. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what's going on with this fucking wig. I don't know what's going on with this wig. Y'all, like, that's like a Oompa Loompa or something, huh? Like, it just looked like it's just sitting here on top of my head. But I'm gonna make this shit work. I have to do something. But I'm gonna try to adjust the wig straps and see what the hell is going on. Like, all right, so what we're gonna have to do, we cannot use these wig straps because we can't do this. It's still not like fitting on my head. Now this is what you call a small wig, like the head, like the strap, like the this is a very small wig. Like I can't even fit this wig on my head, y'all. But how y'all like this style on me so far? I don't know. I'll have to come back and style this wig, but right now I don't know what's going on. It was a lot of work that I had to do to this, and I'm gonna like go ahead and give it to you raw, go ahead and give it to you straight. But I just felt like the baby hair was needed in this wig because I already told y'all that since this could barely fit on my head, I had to make it work somehow, some way, and that's what I did. You are gonna have to try to work with this wig to fit on your head. That's the first thing. I have a small head and I can't even believe that this wig can barely fit on my head right now, but I made it work, so that's all that matters. I made it work, so we're gonna keep pushing. As far as the lace parting space, you most definitely gonna need to pluck that, because if not, it's just gonna look like it's just sitting on top of your head and it's just gonna look crazy. Pluck it a little bit. I did use my foundation on the lace before I started gluing it down. I did go in with my Ebon Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I don't really like this yellow can too much because it's the original formula. Even though it does say it has extreme mega hold, it doesn't. Even the front up here need to be plucked. It does not have a lot of lace whatsoever, but I did try to fix it up and just try to make it at least doable, and just so you can kind of see the style that we got going on here. But on the bright side, this hair is really soft. I love how bouncy the curls are, and I really do love the length. If you do get this hairstyle in a natural hair color, I believe that you would actually love this wig even better. I know I did my baby hair a little dramatic for some of y'all, but I like it on this hairstyle, and I think that it looks better than what it did before. It's a really cute style. It's really cute. It's not my favorite because I don't really, you know, like crimped hairstyles on me. But crimp hairstyles is really, really pretty though, but not on me. This is not a style that's one of my favorites, and this is not a style that I feel like I need to make it run to my store, my local beauty supply store, and grab this wig. This is like one of them type wigs. It's not one of them, you know, them wigs that you have to have. But other than that, it's a really, really gorgeous wig. But I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, you guys.